Hi guys, this is Abigail with the education team. I have a really fun activity for you guys to do at home today, and that is creating a leaf windcatcher. Now it's a pretty simple activity, and all of the materials you can find either in your house, your backyard, or your neighborhood. So all you guys need is a stick, some leaves, a pair of scissors, and then some yarn or string.
Step 1, take some yarn and tie it to either end of the stick. If you prefer, you can tie a piece just to the center. Step 2 is to tie string around each of your leaves. You can do so by tying it on the stem, or you can crumple the leaf up and tie it around the leaf itself. After you have tied string onto your leaves, you can go ahead and tie them onto the stick. Now you can put as many leaves on there as you want, it just depends on the size of your stick. Once you have tied them all on, you have your beautiful leaf windcatcher. You can now hang this on your door, your porch, or anywhere else in your house.
Thank you guys so much for joining me today in creating your very own leaf windcatcher. I hope you guys had an absolute blast, and we look forward to seeing you guys at the Naples Botanical Garden soon.